Now he's seeing SARS.
R-4808N 37.
Headshot! Too bad we ain't keeping score. Fucking A, that was a good shot. Just another day of kicking ass.
Peter, if you are not, then all is our lost. You must know by now that we failed to contain the experiment and that we had to move the experiment here. Location. The numbers will guide you. The giant must remain all costs. Repeat, Der Reese must remain at all costs. The D2 experiments continue. Might be our only advantage now. Find Dr. Max's. They may know what's going on. The use of
Go back to your grave.
best. I'm not sure we can continue here. We will most of our best.
You are no match for Nikolai. Oh, shit. I think its skull just hit next week. He's a lot prettier without a head. Big lead pus bag.
44.94.
What a great shot. Hey, freak sack, you lose something? I am one badass killing machine. Back to hell with you! Fucking A, that was a good shot! Holy shit, did you see that fucking head come apart? Die, you filthy pig! He's a lot prettier without a head. I'm deadly. I'm fast. I'm drunk. That hurt! Back to hell with you! Land to the head, baby! I'm deadly! I'm fast! I'm drunk. That meat bag went down like a bag of ammo! Oh shit! I think its skull just hit next week! I'll swim in your burn in hell, Satan's minions!
Double points!
Hell yeah! Die! 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 Ready to die, freak bags? Now you demons will burn like dogs. Yeah, you smell like bacon, hell pig! Taste Nikolai's flame, you demon pigs!
Max ammo!
Yeah, that's right! Crispy! I have one badass killing machine! And you thought that was hell pig, try this! Taste Nikolai's flame, you demon pigs! Burn, hell pig, burn!
Kaboom!
Ka-fucking-boom, freak bags! The sniping Soviet reigns supreme. Good old-fashioned lightning gun. Sweet. Get out of my fucking way! Ka-fucking-boom, freak bags! Back off, Pista! I'm gonna blow a hole in this box.
Insta-kill!
Burn in hell, Satan's minions!
Max ammo!
Yeah, that's right! I was born for this weapon. Did you see that? Stay there this time! Big lead pus bag! To yourself, freak bag! I need to get some slugs. Never piss off the soldiers! Wow, I did something well! Keep that fire away from my vodka! This makes me feel fast. I prefer vodka. Sack! You lose something? Do that again, I'll bite you back, freak sack!
Max ammo!
Yeah, that's right. You gotta be faster than that, maggot sack! Crazy! Time to kill! Slash! Slash! You die!
Double points!
Hell yeah! Blood! Blood! This looks like fun! Juggernaut! I wish I could meet the chick who sang that jingle. Die, bag brains! You freaking stink! Is it just me, or is it raining blood around here?
Max ammo!
Just another day of kicking ass! Nothing stands in the way of the Red Army! Sorry, zombie. I ain't nobody's meat snack. For the revolution! It's a red death for you, hell pig! Back off, Pista!
Insta-kill!
Time to kill! This'll make him squirm and make me smile. Ah, you capitalist dogs! And you thought hell was bad? Try this! piss off a Soviet. You smell like bacon, hellpig! You all who oppose the mighty motherland! What are you, fucking Rasputin? Stay dead this time! Is it just me, or is it raining blood around here? Hey, freak bag! He ain't that good! Nothing stands in the way of the mess. Hell yeah! Sorry, zombie. I ain't nobody's meat snack. Those freak bags are gonna eat lead and die. Get back in the grave, hell dog! Die again!
Insta-kill!
Burn in hell, Satan's minions! Yeah, that's right. A shotgun will blow their guts out. Perfect! Knock your sea rations! To all who oppose the mighty motherland! So many bullets, so little time. How dare you touch me! You gotta be faster than that, maggot sack! This is gonna rip some shit up. Kaboom. Ka-fucking-boom, freak bags! Comrade, share your ammo with me. Out of ammo! I will kill them with my breath. Get your hands off me, bag brain! Hey, freak bag! He ain't that good! Beautiful, baby! freaking sweet is that? Nothing stands in the way of the bloody mess. Beautiful. Knock your sea rations. Pointless. How freaking sweet is that? It's a red death for you, hell pig. It's a fucking ray gun. What are you, fucking Rasputin? Stay dead this time! Die, have fun, die! That hurt! You're going back to hell, maggot sacks!
Max ammo!
It's just what we needed. Wow, I did something well. Do that again, I'll bite you back, freak sack! I think the Red Menace would be interested in the space rock. Dare you touch me! What are you, fucking Rasputin? Stay dead this time! I ain't nobody's meat snack. That almost sobered me right up. Damn shame. Death to all who oppose the mighty mother of death is my purpose. Death to all who oppose the mighty motherland. You can't beat me even something well. Time to kill. Keep that fire away from my vodka. The world is a root beer shelf. Hey, freak bag! He ain't that good! What are you, fucking Rasputin? Stay dead this time! How dare you touch me! What? Are they gonna put a music Easter egg in every map now? You didn't die, motherfuckers! Never this opportunity. Crazy! I love me! Screw you! Get your hands off me, bagbrain! I'll kill every last one of you undead flesh sacks! Holy shit, did you see that fucking head come up? Is it just me, or is it raining blood around here? Sorry, zombie. I ain't nobody's meat snack. Do that again, I'll bite you back, freak sack! Die! Perfect weapon for the perfect sword. Time to kill! They have let loose the dogs of war!
That's right.
It's a red death for you, hell pig!
Too bad we ain't keeping score! You freaking stink!
I have fun! Screw you! Nothing stands in the way of the Red Army! Although, you see that? Be nice. Death to all who oppose the mighty motherland! My fucking way! Your death is my purpose! What are you, fucking Rasputin? I'll swear you burn in hell, Satan's minions! For the revolution!
Kaboom!
Keep that fire away from my vodka! You are no match for me! What a great shot! I have fun! I'm not cleaning this up! Wow, I did something well! Death for you, hell pig! Back off, Pista! Taste the pain! Dare you never piss off the soul! Die, you dirty demons!
No dice, freak sacks! You lose!
Death to all who oppose the mighty motherland! I just killed 100 zombies in a row! Where was everyone else?
I'm gonna need a clip soon. No gun juice! Damn!
I will kill you all!
Keep your claws to yourself, freak bag!
Double points!
I feel like dirty capitalist. I love this fucking gun! Get back in the grave! prettier without a head. There's more where that came from! Fire! Stay together! As a team! I swear like my zombies! Fragged on the floor! Stick together! Help me! Electrify! This will protect while I sing about old Petrovians. I feel like nerdy capitalist. Stay back! Here they come! Minions! I eat your souls, Hellspawn! Not your sea rations! I'll swim in your guts, hell pigs! Die! You die! Four-legged freak sacks! Just more shit to blow up! Freak sack! Here they come! Attack! Stick together! badass machine. Just like
Get back in the grave! Stay back! Die! Die! Can a Soviet get some ammo? Die, you dirty demons! I'm not cleaning this up. That was amazing. You can't beat me even when I am drunk? What are you, fucking Rasputin? Stay dead crazy! Screw you! How dare you touch me! Stay away from my vodka! Keep that fire away from my vodka! Never piss off a soldier.
I wish I could meet the chick who sang that jingle.
What the revolution? Die! Oh, I did something wrong. They fucked with the red menace. Ah, you capitalist dog! Beautiful, baby! Blood! Blood!
Look at that mess I just made. Hoorah! Come get some, freak bags!
Look at all this dead meat.
I'm gonna rip some shit up with this. Double points!
I feel like dirty capitalist. Too many to count. Got blood on my fucking boots. Death to all who oppose the mighty motherland.
That's right.
Keep that fire away from my vodka.
It's time to kick some freak bag ass.
Work together! For the revolution! Magnum! This big man!
Sorry, zombie. I ain't nobody's meat snack.
What are you, fucking Rasputin? Stay put this time! As a team!
You ain't that good! Go ahead, Slackjaws. Make my day. Do it again, I'll bite you back, freak sack! Unless you take my guns, I wouldn't laugh, asshole. This time!
For the revolution! Ah, good. I won't have to use my vodka. Stay away from my vodka!
They got lucky that time.
Cover me!
Your death is my purpose.
Help me! Fucking Rasputin! Stay dead, you fish!